Hi friends, did you see all that just vast land out there? All the little rolling hills? I am way out here on the Southwest Mesa, and that is what we're going to explore today. All the vast land that's out here just west of Albuquerque. We're going to look around here and just kind of show you just how much land is around Albuquerque and some inside Albuquerque. And we're just going to kind of drive around and walk around and check it out. And if we have time, we'll go out to the North Mesa and look at the difference there and all the land that is still available. It doesn't go to the reservation land just yet. So I guess they can still build out here. So let's go check it out. Okay, now I'm going to head up to the top of this hill here off a street called Dennis Chavez. And we'll be able to see a little bit more of the mesa up here. Yeah, check out all that flat land. Amazing. Okay, we're coming to the very end of this road. Wow, I have never been up to the top of this road, not even close. Just out in the middle of nowhere. The clouds are pretty misty over the mountains there. And you can see the fields and the mesa just going on and on and on. Now if you go straight this way, I believe this is called Vista Atrisco, if I'm not mistaken. And I believe if you go north about, I don't know, 3-4 miles and cross I-40 interstate, you will run into the volcanoes. I was just curious what these signs say out here. This fenced off area. Oh gosh, bumps. Let's see, the top one's in Spanish. Then it says, warning, purchasing property on the Pajarito Mesa may be illegal. That's interesting. And it's more interesting because our next stop is going to be up in the Pajarito Mesa, if I can find it. All right, we are heading down. And I know it sounds crazy, but we're going to head all the way down just to come back up. But we're going way south, almost out of Albuquerque. In fact, it may be outside the city limits. Okay, we're down now to some kind of civilization. And now we're going to head quite a ways south on this road called Coors. And we're going to see if we can go up through this neighborhood. I haven't been there for, oh gosh, probably 25 years or more. And it may have changed completely, but it's a mesa. It's kind of what I call squatter's land. So I thought it'd be interesting to go up there and see what it looks like now. Okay, I think I found the road that I want, called Pajarito Road. And like I say, it's been a long, long time, so if memory serves right, this will take you up to the mesa. Oh, here's another one of those signs saying that buying property up here may be illegal. They probably have some con men selling land out here, and people think they own their land and end up getting kicked out after paying for it, and that's sad. Very sad. Quite a ways up here and a very bumpy road, and doesn't look like the safest area. Well, looks like we got to a street up here. Okay, I think we made it to the top here. Yeah, this is pretty amazing. Little sign right there says Pajarito Mesa. Let's go in here a bit and check it out. Yeah, we are out in the outskirts of very southwest of Albuquerque. We may be outside the limits, but interesting to come up here and see what it looks like. And I know for a fact a lot of these homes are just pulled out here and just squatted out here because I used to work for a company many decades ago where I had to come out and look for these homes. Oh, it's a long way out here, but it's pretty cool exploring some open space and some new land here. So now I'm gonna head all the way back down, and we're gonna take a long drive all the way out to the North Mesa and kind of compare that. I think it's a little bit different. It's more kind of a more trees, more kind of foothill-ish, if there's such a word, and just see if we can find a good spot out there to explore. Whew, that was a long ride from the Southwest Mesa out here to the Northwest Mesa. I'm not as far north as I can go, but we'll check that out later. I saw some structures a few nights ago out of the corner of my eye, and I had no idea they were there. So I'm over here trying to figure out how to get to them after driving around for about 20 minutes. And I figure out the only way to get to them is on foot. So I've got to go all the way down here to the to a pretty busy street, cross there, then hike down probably about, I don't know, a half mile at least to get to them. But I think it might be worth it if I saw it right. Pretty nice view. So let's head down there and check it out. Didn't plan on hiking this far today, but that's all right. Just want to check out a brand new area. It says Boca Negra Dam over there. And I don't know if you can see that in the distance. There's some structures down there that I think they're like overlooks, so you can see through the Volcano Cliffs down into the city. The first thing I want to do is check out this little area. Boca Negra and San Antonio watersheds. Okay. And we've got a nice little bench here. It's a little memorial here. Lost innocence. Now the trail here at Unser and Rainbow, looks like you can go across the street and catch the trail that goes in there. But what I'm hoping is this trail goes down and you can actually go under the busy Unser Road. We'll find out. We'll find out together. You can see all the steps for water control, flood control here for the dam. Yeah, it looks like it goes under the tunnel there. All right. Okay, here's the tunnel that we're going to go underneath. Pretty nice. Nice and clean. Looks like some cars have driven in here, probably maintenance people. And we're headed out towards the Volcano Cliffs. Real staple of the northwest side. Yeah, I tried driving up and down the edges here, and it's all fenced off because it's a petroglyph area. It's a state land. I parked over there and hiked over by the fence. There's no way in here. They make you stay on the trail, and there's no real parking either. I had to park in a pretty precarious space. So hopefully they'll be okay when I get back. But it looks like it's going to be worth it. We're getting closer. There's those structures over there. I have to figure out how to get over to those now. Wow, check out the view. You can see all the way down into the city there. It's kind of misty and smoggy, but you can see right through these volcano cliffs here. Pretty cool. Okay, after all that, I don't think you can get up there to those structures unless I sneak past these barricades. Come on, you gotta be kidding. I gotta get in there and check out that view. I just crawled through the fence there. I'm sure no one's gonna kick me out. They probably will, but oh man, this is awesome. This is, I never even knew this was here. How cool. Up close and personal to the, right in the nooks and crannies of the volcanic rocks here. Very nice. Love it. There's another little structure right down in there. I'm going to see if I can sneak up in here. We did it. Blocked off. Barricade is not going to stop me. No. Wow. This is awesome. I wonder why they have it blocked off. Whew. Very cool. Very cool. I love the mountains, but there's something about the high desert flatlands that I just absolutely love also. Mesa is Spanish for table, and as you can see, the mesa is very flat topped and very large. Oh look, don't even have to duck under. Nice little area just to sneak through here, except for spider webs that just engulfed my arm. Okay, it's time to head back to the car, and we'll head out a little farther north, and just to see what the mesa looks like. Now, if you keep on going on Unser, you'll go all the way to the next city called Rio Rancho. I did a video on that, a couple of them. If you want to check that out, it's a nice city, just northwest of Albuquerque, a population of around 100,000, and so we're not going that far, just a few miles out, and show you the difference between the Southwest Mesa and the North Mesa. Wow, this is where the water runs through. Look at that long tunnel. Wonder how many people have gone through there. I wouldn't do it. That's a little too scary for me. Okay, that wasn't too bad. Throat's a little dry. Glad I brought some water. You can see the volcanoes there in the background over here. We only went a short way, actually. Some of these trails just go on for miles and miles and miles. Okay, we're heading out north here a bit and coming up upon a road called Paseo del Norte. And we'll go just a bit after that, because after that you get to Alameda. Then you start getting real close to going out of town into another city. Well, since I was out in this area, not too far off the beaten path, but a lot of people don't know this is out here. This is actually a radio-controlled aircraft airport. And something's going on because there is a ton of cars. Let's check it out. Beautiful. It's amazing. Some huge hobbyists here. Wow. People are really into this hobby. I think it's fascinating. I don't think I'd have the patience for it, but it's pretty cool. Pretty cool to see, pretty fun to watch. Some fighters over here. Wow. Yep, here at the George Maloof Memorial Airport. Here's one of the Thunderbirds. U.S. Air Force. This is pretty cool. 747 and Concorde. That whirling sound, that's a little teeny, like, I don't know, an SR-7, like a little jet plane. Sounds like a gnat in my ear, actually, but it's pretty cool. But thank you so much for coming along today. What a fun day. Got a little exercise, a lot of good sun. Checked out the West Mesa and the North Mesa. Put on a few miles, a few steps. Walked quite a ways. But thanks again for joining me. And take care of yourself and others. Bye for now. Let's go see if I can get my car out of that ditch. Well, I got my car out of that little ditch and did a whole bunch of 3-point, 9-point turns to get out of that little narrow road. But I made it. Thank you so much for watching till the end. I really appreciate that. And check out these moonshots I took the other night.